Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty, and I'm finally doing a review on the Cosmic Brushes the Lovers palette. I've done so many looks. Today I am mixing a Nomad palette. I will show you swatches now. And now I will show you all the looks that I have created with this, exclusively this. I love how it opens up, but these are some delicious shards when you use the palette. It has multichrome, shimmer, metallics. Everything is super sparkly and just really nice. First of all, not sent PR. This is my first Cosmic Brushes palette and very impressed. I'm glad I got this one, even though I almost got the neutrals and then a couple other ones. And I definitely want to get more. This is just like my perfect palette. I love the greens. I wish there was a blue shimmer, like a light blue shimmer, because this one right here, Truth, and they all feel so nice. They're very reflective, sparkly. Only one that is not like the others. Like there's no like sparkle. This is more like a metallic, not super foil metallic, but like, let me show you compared to Connection. I don't know if you can see like the sparkles, but it's still metallic. That's the only one I will say is different than the others. Who is this palette for? If you like sparkles, if you want a little bit of fun, because there are still neutrals in here, okay? And you can also pair these as neutrals. I showed you the looks where I did more neutral leaning looks. I did really colorful looks. You can play around. You can use the black as a liner. You could use it as a base. You could use even this if this is intimidating or this is intimidating. Use this as a liner. This I've used to blend out. And also, pastels, really pigmented, not chalky, not hard to work with, not hard to blend. I was shocked how pigmented it was. Like sometimes you have to build it up and sometimes you just get like the white base and it's just not with this. This is so easy to use, pigmented but blendable. Just really quick looks that look like you spent a lot of time on them. I would recommend this. But if you don't like color at all, like this is like if you want a colorful palette but not like bright, like there's nothing bright in here. You have 3 pastels, but there's no neons in here. To me, a green is a neutral. Okay. I love green eyeshadow. I love purples. I love pinky shades. Like these are my pinks, okay? Like mauve-y kind of pinks, wearable pinks, no hot pinks, but you have to like a little bit of color. And the packaging is very pretty. But yeah, that's who I would recommend it to. I don't have a code, didn't get sent this in PR, so this is my honest review. That's all you're gonna get from me is true, honest reviews. So if you like that, let me know any other palettes you want me to review. They can be older palettes, they can be newer palettes, but I prefer palettes that have neutrals and colors because I do go to work every day. Like this is my work look today. It's gonna be in a reel, a TikTok, and a short, as always. Stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care is for beauty. What is your form of self-care? Because it's always important to take care of you. You can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself. And I hope to see you in my next video.